Getting towards sunset and golden hour, and I've made it to the lakes. Now this is heaven for me. I love to be amongst nature, listening to the birds and the ducks in their own environment, people having good fun, and I'm here. You wouldn't believe that the lakes here are in the middle of a massive town in Stevenage, because all around you is just pure and utter beauty. It's only about 40 minutes walk from my house to here. There are so many different things for children and families to do. It's an amazing attraction. So definitely pop down here. Even if you don't live in Stevenage, come down here. I'm going to step aside and show you the lakes and just talk about why I love it so much. The reason I love it here is because it gets away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And I think that's important, to be able to be amongst nature, to feel nature all around you, to have a walk and just to sit down and release those negative feelings that you might be having, those stressful situations at work, and just really come out and get the exercise, because your body will thank you and love you for it. We're now looking over towards the cafe area and the boat area. I'm really hoping at one point to go and do some canoeing, because I've really fancied that. I haven't done it for absolutely years. And let me know in the comments below what sports you like to do on the water. Often you can see geese and swans splashing about, having a great time in the water. And I just think it's such a gorgeous place just to sit and relax and listen to the geese having some fun. Oh my goodness. I actually am a bit scared of swans and geese, to be honest. That's my little secret, guys, I'm telling you, but it's just nice to be able to hear them in their own habitat, enjoying their life. The main reason I'm down here tonight, guys, is to test out some new audio kit that came in the post today. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the audio. I personally think it's absolutely brilliant, but let me know what you think below. This is the beauty of this little tiny device. It's awesome. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to like and subscribe.
I got love in my heart. I got love in my heart.